If you're dreaming of homeownership, but you're worried that financial barriers might stand in your way, Paducah Bank may have a solution. From a smaller down payment or percent of financing options, Paducah Bank offers a range of government-backed loans to make buying a home more accessible. Whether you're a first-time home buyer, a veteran, or looking to live in a rural community, joining us today is Summer Bostrom, a mortgage relationship manager at Paducah Bank. She's going to explain how these loans work and how they can help you take the next step towards owning your dream home.
Here at Paducah Bank, we are very proud to be able to offer several different types of government home loans. We offer VA loans for veterans and for a spouse of a veteran. We offer USDA loans, which are very popular in our rural communities because of the many benefits that they offer. We also offer FHA loans. Now, FHA loans sort of have a reputation of being a loan for a first-time home buyer, but that's simply not true. You can have purchased a home in the past or have had a VA loan in the past and still qualify. Now, all of these loans are designed to be for your primary residence.
What is the minimum down payment required for these types of loans, and how do they compare to conventional mortgages?
Yeah, so definitely one of the greatest benefits of these loans are the down payment requirements. So for both USDA and VA, there are no down payment requirements. And for FHA qualified applicants, it's just 3.5% down. So for many families, that means the difference between having to wait years of purchasing a home and actually being able to do that much sooner than they expected.
Are there any income limits or specific qualifications for these loans? Like, who's eligible for a USDA or a VA loan, for example?
Yeah, so typically for FHA and VA, there are no geographic restrictions and there are no income limits. Homes do need to be in move-in ready condition and meet certain safety requirements. Now, USDA loans are a little bit different. So there are geographic restrictions and income limits to those loans. However, many people are surprised to learn that you don't have to go that far outside of the Paducah city limits to be in one of those USDA territories. For instance, areas like Hendron and Farley are already in that USDA zone. And to add to that, every county that touches McCracken, the entire county is USDA eligible. So definitely a lot of benefits there. For the income cap, many people are surprised to learn that the income can be much higher than they expected. So for instance, in McCracken County, a family of 3 can make up to $100,000 a year per household and still be eligible for that program.
That's all great information. You've definitely given us some things to think about. Thank you, Summer, for being here with us today. If you would like to revisit this segment of Home Experts, log on to WPSDLocal6.com and click on Home Experts.
All right, Robin, thank you. Happening today, if you're looking for a chance to connect with local first responders, the Murray Police Department is hosting its annual community night. That's from 5 p.m. to 7:30 tonight at Chestnut Park. The event is free and will feature food trucks and inflatables for the kids. The dry weather is prompting burn bans in multiple communities across our region. Crittenden County is the newest to enforce a burn ban today. Others include Marshall County, Graves County, Fulton County, and Ballard County, all in Kentucky. Also includes the city of Obion in northwest Tennessee. These bans include fires for grilling, burning leaves or debris, campfires, and much more.
And I would assume we're probably going to add more counties to that list over the coming days because there's not much rain on the way. Things will continue to get dry as some heat is going to bake our area this weekend. We're in the 80s today and tomorrow, but 90s are back Thursday into the weekend. We're in the mid-90s, 95 in fact, for Saturday and Sunday and Monday. And it looks like the 90s probably stick around into next week, although maybe some lower 90s. Right now, no rain chance for at least the next week, probably quite a bit longer than that.
All right, Trent, thank you. And thank you for watching Local 6 Midday.